Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back in another tips for your smartphone. So the latest Windows 10 mobile, which is in technical preview as of now, is still in the beta version. So beta is actually software that keeps on changing or can change at any time as or when needed. So we may have lots of surprises, but Microsoft has added a lots of cool stuff, to control various apps and settings that you can run in background. So background in short terms can be understood as an application which can be your installed apps or built-in applications to the OS itself that can run when you are not using the phone or the phone screen may be in locked screen mode. So from the past 6 months of the usage from Windows 10 mobile technical review, we have collected some informations that tested to which you can save your battery life of a smartphone running Windows 10 technical review or maybe in the final Windows 10 mobile. Okay, so let's start. So here are some battery tips for you to save your battery life. So before that, let's start. Now let's go to the first settings and search find my phone. So here you can see it came up. So you have to first disable the option save my device location periodically, so it's kind of easy to find even locations of. So when this is on, your Windows phone can keeps on sending their location information to the Microsoft store in the clouds. As you can see, it's account.microsoft devices, so it keeps on juicing up the battery time to time. Okay, now the second, we will go to the first, the battery saver mode. That can go to the system, battery saver, and here click on the battery use. All right, so you can see so many apps will be shown up. So here the good tip is that you should first click on the app, show on the detail. If you see the background usage is more than 20 to 30%, you should disable that app. So for as of now we are not using, so we have made it disabled. So if you are using WhatsApp very heavily or any other app that uses the background percentage more than 20 to 30%, you should keep on disabling it, otherwise you keep it on. All right, so now came back again and go to change background app settings. Here it will see it's crashing out now. I'll open again, system, battery saver, battery use, background app settings. So you can see the apps which are of most important to you, you should enable those only, and rest you can keep on disabling it. All right, this is also sorted in the decreasing order. So the most used app shows in the up. Okay, next we'll go to system and display. System display, so by default when you install you will get in the high display level, so you should keep it on the low and make it automatically adjust. So Nokia phones displays are very good in terms of outdoor visibility, and because most of the device they have the clear black display except some low end devices, so almost you will get very rich colors and display. So you should keep on the low always whenever you go doing that one. Okay, the next tip is we should go to the settings and wireless. So come to setting menu. Here you can see network and wireless. So here you will may get option cellular and SIM and maybe mobile and SIM. So you should see here, as you can see here, mobile and SIM in case of dual SIM, otherwise it's a cellular and SIM and a single SIM. Okay, so here you should go to the SIM settings and you should choose the highest connection and speed. If you are mostly working on the Wi-Fi, you should use only 2G mode, preferably 3G only. Until unless you are not using LTE, don't use 4G and 4G only. Keep on 3G only, otherwise it will keep on switching between the networks, so it will consume lots of battery. So recommended is if you are on Wi-Fi, keep on 2G only, otherwise at least 3G only. Don't ever go on 3G or 4G only until unless you are really required. Alright, so in case of dual SIM also will show you, it is the same thing. The whichever you is using data connection, you can go to SIM 1 setting or SIM 2 settings, whichever is applicable. You can change your connection and speed according to that. Okay, next we go to settings and privacy. Coming back to the main setting menu, you'll go to settings and privacy, and here privacy you can see that we have option the downside, the background apps. It will show the number of apps that are running. There may be difference between the battery saver change in settings and the background and privacy apps. So some apps may be listed here which requires the privacy access, will also shown here, will not shown there too. So you should keep on check here also maybe you will find some apps that aren't shown there. So you should disable the apps that are not of importance to you. Okay, by default all the apps are enabled when you install the Windows 10. Now again we'll go to different price options. So if you're not heavy users of Cortana or Cortana services, or Cortana is not running in your area, you should disable that. So you can do the same via go to settings, privacy. Here you will see speech and linking. Since Cortana is using this speech and things to keep on always listening, so you should disable these things, and you should click on the button stop getting to know me. We have also did here, so you should like stop getting to know me, turn off, it will show. You should turn this off. Okay, so now we'll go to setting and privacy again, and here you will see the feedback and diagnosis. So this is kind of the background always running, which sends the feedbacks to the apps you are using to the Microsoft. So until unless you're not really a big fan of the Microsoft, you should never do it. So you should keep it on never and make it to basic. This will also save your battery from a few percentage drops. Okay, so now the other things, we go to others devices. So this is the option you should use when you have so many Windows phones running, Windows 10 devices, maybe it's a PC, laptop, desktop, or so many mobiles with there. So in that way you should keep on this sync with devices, otherwise you should keep it off. Otherwise in the background it will keep on syncing to all devices that are connected to network. Okay, so you should add these things also. So here are some things that we have done. So we have checked all these things in the past 5 to 6 months, as we told. So these are quite effective. Our Lumia 1022 initially was running very much. It works around 4 to 5 or 6 hours sometimes. But now after doing this, we are able to get some 1 to 2 hours of another phone usage, or some half an hour screen on time. So that is quite good at this moment until the OS is not final. So most things will be same. So you should try these things in yourself. Let us know. We are coming with further videos which shows some more tips and all for the Windows 10 mobile, and especially the battery saving tips. Okay, so for more information related to smartphone specification, news, tips, unboxing and reviews, don't forget to subscribe our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like it. And also you can download our official app cell phone. We are posting all same things and a text on the individual sections. I will put a link down below where you can directly navigate to the app and you can get all things there. You can directly watch our YouTube videos that we are uploading here in the smartphone itself in our app. Okay, thanks for watching. Do let us know in your comments on your results. Any further questions you have, we will sure try to address those in the coming videos. Okay, thank you guys.